Cooking is a hassle, don't you think? I always try to cook for my health, but I hate washing dishes. Eating is fun, but I don't like cleaning.
Yes, no one hates eating. Some people eat for fun. I always enjoy eating. I live to eat. And worst part is that all unhealthy foods are delicious. I think God wants to test us.
You are right. Most junk foods are more delicious than healthy foods such as vegetables and fruits. There is one more bad news about eating habit. You know, I like eating at night. Late night munch is always fun. But bad thing is this habit is not good for our health.
Yes, you must avoid eating at night. You have to digest what you eat before sleeping. If you lie down before digesting perfectly, it might cause some problems.
How long does it take to digest?
It usually takes more than 1 hour, so you must fight back with drowsiness. If sleeping after eating becomes your routine, you will have to go to a hospital soon.
Another thing is eating healthy. Like I said, most of delicious foods are not healthy. If you think about delicious foods, what can you think of? Pizza, chocolate, sausage, and hamburger pop up in my mind, and these foods are not healthy.
This is so sad. I love dessert. I always eat cake with coffee. I know sugar makes you gain weight, but I can't stop it.
And these processed foods, such as sausage, have much preservative. Food companies put a lot of preservative in processed foods to preserve the foods, but everyone knows that is not healthy.
Right. I heard that McDonald's hamburger doesn't go bad after many months because of preservative. It was gross.
Yes, this is why cooking is important. You can make fresh and healthy food if you cook at home. In restaurants, they add a lot of sugar and salt on dishes. But if you eat at home, you can control amount of salt and sugar. Isn't this great?
I think so too. And cooking is fun, even though washing dishes is not fun. But if you have a dishwasher in your house, you don't have to worry about that. Anyway, can you introduce one simple recipe?
Soybean paste stew is easy to make. First, you have to buy zucchini, tofu, potato, and some meat. Second, boil water and put all the ingredients into the water when it boils, and add soybean paste. Heat that up for a few minutes, and it is done.
That is so simple. And it sounds healthy too. And can I tell you how to make kimchi stew?
Sure.
You need tofu, aged kimchi, and pork. Stir fry pork until it turns brown. Next, pour water and boil them. Last, add aged kimchi into the stew and heat it for a few minutes. Isn't it easy?
Yes. If you have sour kimchi, you can make kimchi stew with it. Kimchi stew is easy and delicious.
What time is it now?
It is almost time for dinner. Don't forget to eat breakfast too. Breakfast is the most important meal. It provides you energy,